Noise pollution is a widespread problem for modern societies. We measure sound in units called decibels. A 20 decibel increase sounds 10 times louder, while a 40 decibel increase seems 100 times louder. In Japan, sounds greater than 70 decibels are generally classified as noise. The COVID-19 pandemic meant we all started spending much more time in online meetings.
本日の議題は3つです。まずは進捗の確認から始めます。
The voices of people in a meeting can easily exceed 70 decibels. One solution is this sound-reducing mask. It cuts the sound of his voice by about 20 decibels. Inside the mask, a system of air passages absorbs sound, so your voice doesn't leak out and cancels any ambient noise. The internal microphone ensures that you're easily audible to the other members of the remote meeting. More and more people will need to make phone calls or hold remote meetings from wherever they are, rather than have to go to some special place. We hope our Privacy Talk mask will help make this new way of working possible. Noise from construction work is a common disturbance. It's usually over 70 decibels. This is an urban medical facility. From the corridor, you can't hear anything unusual, but go through this door and you're blasted by the noise of repair work. But none of this noise leaks to the outside. This means we can operate during business hours and our workers can be more efficient too. Noise is suppressed by the use of a range of special panels, fittings and tools. They were developed by this company. Office workers complained about the noise, so we had to work weekends and nights. This was bad for our workers' lives. To prevent noise pollution, the work used to be done outside normal working hours. This limited the hours available and slowed progress. Conventional drill bits produce over 110 decibels of noise while boring a hole. This newly developed drill has a flat diamond-edged tip that is dramatically quieter. These lightweight sound insulation wall panels come in many versatile shapes and sizes. This allows every surface of a room to be easily soundproofed. Such products reduce the noise from construction work by about 30 decibels. It keeps things quiet for people at work during business hours and makes our job more attractive for young people too. Keeping workplaces quiet and comfortable. New Japanese sound technology is improving the work environment for everyone.